Have you heard of Ozempic? Well, there might be an oral version of the injectable medication that people are using to lose weight and treat their diabetes, okay? Novo Nordisk just came out with study results that listed 17% body weight loss over 68 weeks of patients taking a pill version once a day. That's pretty profound because a lot of people don't want to get the injections. Just so you know, Ozempic or Mounjaro or the other semaglutide injections, they have to be done subcutaneously once a week. That's not so bad, but some people don't want to get the injection. So now we're talking about testing out pill versions, okay? Now it's hard to take a pill for a medication like semaglutide because it's a specific peptide, so they're testing that out, but that could come down the pipeline very soon, all right? Estimated cost for such a medication is about $500 a month, so you gotta weigh in the cost of that versus doing other things for free like intermittent fasting, exercise, okay? But for those of you who are really stuck in that situation and a pill is really your only option, this could be an option for you. The other thing that is actually out there right now is called Rybelsus, Rybelsus, Rybelsus. That is a diabetes medication that people are taking for weight loss. Okay, it's being used off-label. So if that's something you're interested in, you can check with your doctor if you definitely don't want to do the injections.